In this lesson, we're going to discuss how to create a brand new slide deck from scratch. So if you're currently working off of the funding deck, let's go ahead and see how we can create something new. Well, if you click on the File tab in the upper left, you'll notice once again we have here this new option in the upper left-hand side. I click on New, and you'll see a whole slew of options now appear. First of all, we'll see here we can create a blank new presentation, and there are many other templates we can work off of. If I scroll down, you'll see that there's this architecture pitch deck, there's this colorful abstract pitch deck, business plan presentation, verdant pitch deck, offset design, etc. So it's definitely worth looking into these. But let's go ahead and just choose one randomly. Let's choose this tech presentation. When I click on that, you're going to see it's going to give me a nice little description of what it's going to look like, some of the content and components within that slide deck, and then once we get into it, you're going to see that it's going to have certain design elements. So all we need to do now is click on Create. And when we do, essentially it downloads it from the Microsoft database where it exists, and then we own it. So I click on Create, and we just wait for it to download. And now you can see here, I have a slide deck presentation that has 13 slides. And if I look down here in the lower left, you'll see it's going to tell me that I have slide 1 of 13 in total. So I'm going to go ahead and just simply click through all these, and we'll get a nice little idea of what this looks like. Let's go ahead and do another one. I click on File, choose New, and I'll just choose another random one here. How about this geometric annual presentation? I click on that. Another nice little description to tell me what it's going to be about. I click on Create, it downloads it, and something very different. So you see you have a lot of options to choose from. Now all of these, of course, are customizable. Right? Any of this text here, you can click on it and you can add in your own content. Later on, we're going to talk about images, and you'll be able to bring in your own images. So it's a really nice gift from the folks at Microsoft to help you get started on your own presentations. Now let's go ahead and see how we can create a blank presentation. So very simply, I click on File, I click on New, and then finally I'm going to choose Blank Presentation. And this just simply comes up with one blank slide. Now, for those of us who are working off of Office 365, you will see that this little designer side pane now appears, again, giving us the nice head start on design and potentially a little bit of content. So if I simply click on this second one, notice how it's going to give me a nice little placeholder, some images, some shapes. Click on this first one, click on this fourth one, and it's really up to you. You'll experiment however you like, and then once again, come into these text box placeholders, and you'll be able to put in your own content. Now, the next thing I'd like to show you is back on the templates where you can pin your templates for saving for a future date. So let's go back to the File tab. I click on that, click on New, and you'll see that every single one of these, as I hover my mouse over them, has this little push pin icon. So if I really like this colorful abstract pitch deck, I want to use it again and again, I click on that. Let's go ahead and do this dividend design. Let's do this scientific findings, verdant pitch deck. And then as I scroll back up, you'll notice all of them now live up on top here with these little push pins. If I don't want them anymore, I'm not going to be using this dividend design anymore. I click on the push pin again, and it goes away. Click on that one, goes away. Click on that one, goes away. And now I'm left with just one of them. And now finally, while we're here, let's talk about how we can search for different elements and different types of templates. So if I really want to find some templates that are going to have some charts in them, I can click inside this search box right here underneath the word Office, and I'll just type out the word charts, hit enter, and you're going to see I'm now going to get many other different types of presentation templates that I didn't see on that front page. And you'll see this is now digging deep into the Microsoft database to show me lots and lots of other options here. So of course, this is going to be up to you how you're going to explore. But again, please take advantage of this because this is a really nice gift from Microsoft to get you started and also to give you the tools you need to create great presentations.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To see the full course that this video came from, click over there. And click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.